my best today. Paus ako. Kagigising ko lang. Hindi pa ako yon. It's New Year's Eve. So, yun nga, hindi ako masyadong maganda ngayon. Isipin niyo na lang na hindi ako ang pinunta niyo rito, but the 366 day journal of Limelight for 2024. Bago natin pag-usapan yung 2024 Limelight 366 journal, ito muna yung what I had before. Kasi I've been using na, these are my previous journals. Ayan. I'll show you first this one. I actually made a video na already nito noong 2020. When 2022 came because this is in 2022 eh. So, ito yon.
So, ito siya. Yan. Whoops. 2022, 365 days from Limelight. Ito. Ayan. This is the third time. Wala pa tong sulat pero nabuksan ko na siya. This is actually my third Limelight notebook. I started using Limelight for my journals nung 2020. Dati kasi kung anong notebook lang yung magandang sulatan, scribbles, yeah, that's one thing. Pero this year, in the previous 2 years din, 2020 at saka 2021, gumamit ako ng Limelight kasi yung kanila maganda. It comes with a lock, pero hindi mo siya totally lock na lock. Magnet. Hindi siya bulky. Yung isa kasi, pakita ko pala. Yung 2021, ito, siya, medyo bulky. So, pag nilagay mo siya sa shelf, ang laki nito. Ayun, kasi siya ay button. Button ba tawag dito? Whatever, pero ganito siya. So, ito yung sa 2021. Yung 2020 naman wala dito, pero siya garterized siya. Tapos yun, 1 day, 1 page. Ganun siya. Ito kasi, at saka ito, 2 days, 1 page. Ito, nilagyan ko lang naman to ng mga ganyan to mark the months. At if you will notice, medyo makapal. Yan ay dahil sa mga ilang nakadikit, tapos sa sulat na din. Kasi alam nyo naman, mas manipis ang papel kapag walang sulat. Pero pag nasulatan na siya, medyo lumulukot pag madiin yung sulat. Kaya kumakapal. Wah! May natutunan na naman kayo sa akin Uy, may lagayin din pala siya ng ballpen dito. Ayan. Bookmark na magnetic din. Magnet yan, And my message, the next page, may message from Limelight family. After that one, we have the 2022. And then we have here, the 2023. Here, calendar. Tapos yung holidays ng 2022. Hey, your biggest achievement every year. Yung mga gusto nyong gawin for this year, pwede nating ilagay dito. Mood tracker, my favorite. Pakita ko yung mood tracker ko from 2021. Ayan. May 2021. Charing. Taray ko, no? Ito yung mood tracker ko sa 2021. Meron din siya magnetic na bookmark. Monthly preview. And then right after that, you have na yung, ito yung sinasabi ko, 2 days per page. Yun, 2 days per page. Meron din siyang questions. Questions that we can answer din dito. Ito yung February. Mga ganito, sa likod nung after at the end of every month may mga nakalagay na ganito. March has different color and for 12 months may iba't iba siyang features na ganito. December 31 and 2022. The last page supposedly, pero hindi pa doon nagtatapos ang lahat. We have the 2022 highlights. Then we have the birthday tracker. And then we have the bill tracker. Ayan, para malaman mo kung gaano kakagastador. Charing. We have emergency contacts. Dahil nasa Philippines nga tayo, Philippine local contacts itong mga nandito sa page na to. And then you can also add. And then the notes. Okay, nabahala ko nilalagay nyo sa notes. Ay itong letter again from Limelight. Diba may letter sila sa unahan, and then they also have another letter from this one. Meron silang lagayan. Ayan. And they also have stickers. Yay! Happy New Year! It's New Year, new journey. So, new journal. Ah!
And nakita nyo rin yung sa 2021. I was not able to bring the 2020. I started using Limelight lang 2020. One day per page pa sila during that time. And then in 2021, naging 2 days per page, which is a little not good for a writer like me na marami sinusulat, maraming thoughts during a day. So medyo ang hirap. Nagsisingit-singit ako ng mga papel just to have an extra paper, extra space. So ngayon naman, ito, let's see. Kasi medyo naging tamad ako noong 2022. So I was not able to complete the whole year. Yan, pero buksan pa din natin. I forgot ako ano laman ito. It's been ages since the last time I opened this journal. My gosh. I'm a Cancer. I'm not a fire sign. Pero this one is this is a fire sign. Kasi this is the only available design I remember dun sa bookstore kung saan ko ito nabili. Oh, goals. O, di ba wala? So, wala ako natapos. And then, may bucket list. Mood tracker. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Kaya lang hanggang September lang ako. Pak! May mga ganito pa siya, puzzle. Tingnan natin. Sometimes fate can be as random as a puzzle. The first 5 things you see is what you will attract this month. Tingnan natin ang month of May. Okay? But ano siya ng June? What I saw is promotion, love, beauty, money, success. So, ayan, hindi ko na nasulatan other pages kasi nga by September or August, face-to-face na, I've been very busy. I don't know how to hustle, how to handle, or to manage my time. So, hindi ko na siya nasulatan. I remember last year, decided again, sabi ko, I'm going to write na because I'm feeling a lot of things during that time. Ang sakit, pain, yung mga ganon, emotional pain. And the only thing I did is to escape. I did not face it. Siguro the reason also that I was not able to write, kasi nga, natakot ako na maranasan ulit yung sakit ko. Kasi diba, sabi nila, when you're writing, you're experiencing things twice. No? So, pag isinulat ko na naman ulit, I would feel the same pain again. So ako ayoko muna. I'm not yet ready to do that. Hindi ako nagsulat. Pero right now, nanghihinayang ako. Kasi sabi din naman ni Direk Tonetha daw hanggat masakit, isulat mo. So, ayun. Ako tinakasan ko. I'm not that strong. Hirap pala ma-broken. Broken! So this is the Limelight 365 Days Journal. In 2023, ito yon. So beautiful. Denim, tapos ang iba-iba yung color na ganito. This one is in pink. Ito na siya. It comes with a lock. And as usual, clip ng pen. Oh, kaya mo yon. Nakita ko na to before. I'm showing it to you. Holidays, of course. Birthday tracker. Nandito na siya sa unahan. Break a sweat. Ito, kailangan ko to noong 2023. We really have to have a healthy lifestyle, a healthy body. Pero syempre, hindi ko nagawa. And then, track the sweat. Ito, hindi na siya mood, not emotion anymore, but rather fitness tracker. Oh, the goals. Ang cute niya, very very tacky, something like that. And January expenses tracker, which is also good. Monthly siya this time. Nakikita mo talaga yung gastos mo. Pero kasi ako, I don't track na may expenses I'm just being careful in expending in consuming things and using my money. Kasi sabi ni Sarah Tisdale sa poem niyang Barter, live but never count the cost. Yun. So hindi ako nagbibilang, para hindi ako naiiyak, but I make sure na hindi ako gumagastos ng sobra-sobra para hindi rin ako ma-stress. Because naniniwala ako na pag walang pera, nakaka-stress. Wala ka kwenta-kwenta. Blankong-blanko. O yung 2021, nasulatan ko from page 1 hanggang dulo, cover to cover. This one, wala. Oh, wala. Oh, see, ang ganda ng visuals. It's 10 over 10. Wow. Short questions that they have above. They always do that. Sasagot tayo ng isa. Tingnan natin dito. What are the three things that constantly amaze you? Oh, amaze me. Oh, number one, genuinely good person. Yan. Tapos, number two, yung pagkain na nanunuot, natutunaw yung sarap sa dila mo. Oh, I love that. And then number three, a good movie plot. Yung paglang pagkanood mo, wow! Meron siyang year-end message for everyone. Oh, basahin natin. Congratulations, you made another year full of memories. Were they fun, insightful, memorable? We know that were plenty of challenges, but remember the good times as well. That's correct. Be proud of your accomplishments. Learn from your mistakes. It's a new beginning. Keep planning, keep dreaming. See you in 2024. Si OA. I know it's the end of the year today, but it is not too late for in-advertise. Marami silang features ngayon I was not able to learn. Hindi ko nalaman na, I forgot na, ay hindi naman to paid advertisement. They have in different colors and different categories. Yan, categories. This one I got is the daily journal. Yan, 366 days. Leap year tayo sa 2024. Meron tayong Feb 29. So, ito nakuha ko ay yung pang everyday. They also have this in black and the other one I think is blue. Tapos, yung next naman nila is the weekly journal. Tapos, iba-iba ring gemstones or colors ang nandun. And then, I think meron din sila ng monthly. Right? For, in the shade, ano siya, pearl. Yan. I specifically choose pearl kasi pearl is my birthstone. So, ayan po. Sabi dito, includes stickers, magnetic bookmark, and hidden gems. 208 leaves, 80 GSM blue, and ivory paper. As usual, yun naman talaga, laging ivory paper po ang ating limelight. And mayroon siya laging stickers. I can assure you that. The stickers are so fun, so cute, and very also related to the design. So, consistent ang ating kapatid na limelight. It's sabi dito, glow in the dark. I don't know, I haven't tried it yet. I glow in the dark na. I wish you could see it for yourself, but I guess for you to do that, you have to buy one. Wow. Yung pagka-glow in the dark niya is not necessarily the whole notebook. Yun lang gem imprinted on the book. Oh, see, I told you it's glowing. Oh, you might wonder and ask kung magkano ang 2024. Ay, glow in the dark din kaya to. Let's try. Yan, magkano nga ba? Wow, hindi pa na-feature. Tinanong na agad ito. The price is 366 because it's 366 days. Hindi nga, totoo yun. That's the price. Ay, hindi siya glow in the dark. Ito lang talagang gem. More convenient nga naman yung ganito. Tapos may nakita ako sa ano ba nakita yun? Discover ako, grabe. Nakakahiya to, ngayon ko lang nalaman. Tapos, for example, you open your notebook, kung may ganito yung notebook nyo. Ganyan. Tapos, parang hindi pala siya lipad-lipad. You have to like, do this. Pwede pala to. Wala ka kwenta-kwenta, nakakainis. Ayan. Ooh, it's quite tight. Wow. Tapos may lagay ng ballpen as usual. I hope you can see it clearly. Siyempre, punong-puno na naman ito ng picture ko dapat. The planner belongs to, of course, your name. And then, ito yung kanyang magnetic bookmark. The diamond one. Nakikita mo siya. Oh, my message for you, for us. Hi, hey there. Every ending creates a new beginning. Another chance to carve raw and unrefined memories. What started off as an ordinary can bring out the extraordinary in you. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Focus on your goal and make the most of your time. This Limelight Planner is intricately designed and delicately hued to add color to your life. Embellish every moment and bring out your uniqueness. Take each step with courage, compassion, and confidence, just like the diamonds that undergo pressure. You too will shine bright. Your loving Limelight fam. Oh, thank you so much, my Limelight fam. So we have there the calendar for 2024 and then for 2025. Lagi naman may holidays sa planner niya. Of course, that's one thing. And then goals for each month. And I hope you can see that. This bucket list, sobrang haba ng list na pwede niyong masulat. Ayun. And then this one, make your own tracker. Ayun! You can now have your own tracker. Make your own list. Oh, listahan ng mga utang. Hey, char. Ano ba to? Organize your thoughts and set your priorities. So whatever list you would like to include there, you can include. Oh, ito na. January. Garnet. Have here the expenses tracker, and the savings tracker, and the notes sa baba. Oh, yung ganda ng kulay. Tapos, you have your monthly goals. And then, previous month, summer 2023, tapos February 2024. Maganda nga, maganda yon, di ba? A past, present, and then future. Namumula na yung eyes ko. Ah, okay. They have new feature pala. Mood tracker for the month. Andito yung can put here the colors, kung anong gusto mo, and then the legend, or whatever. Tapos, dito mo sa maliliit na to ilalagay. Sa maliliit na yan na boxes. Yung color or legend that would indicate the mood you had for the day. Ay, ang ganda. My dream come true. 1 page per day. Wag lang akong tatamaring magsulat kasi sayang ang bili. As usual, they still have those. Mag-advance tayo. Let's see. Ano ba to? What worries you about the future? Ay, a lot of things po. Can say one. Ah, bana. To this side is a question. To this side is a quote. Yon. Ayun sa 2020 planner, I remember. Questions, tapos yung quote nila nandito sa baba. Or nandito. Something like that. Basta meron dun everyday quote. Sa day 33 of the year 2024, February 2. Ito pa, para sa mga nagdi-day 1 dyan, you will be able to track the number of days kasi meron silang day 4 to 6. Let's check sa likod. Emergency contacts. And then message na. Wala na yung travel tracker. Okay. Let's check the stickers. Ay, nagustuhan. It's made of diamond. Kasi kahit pearl yung napili ko, yung feature dun sa notebook, it's just the name, the design. Ay, yun pala yun. I think, iba-iba yung design niya per gemstone that you are going to have. So, sa onyx, I guess it would be different color palette, different content, and also the same thing here dito sa pearl sa akin. No. Tapos, they're one thing in common, kasi puro diamond yun. Ito din siya talaga. This one, these are cute. One thing that they have in common is to feature, I guess, kasi, is to feature the diamond. Because the diamond is the hardest stone, diba? Yan. So, among all of the gemstones that we have, it's the diamond really, the great caliber, the, the best. That is the 2024 366 days planner of Limelight in Pearl. Okay? In Pearl. It may be late today. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko ito mag-post tonight or even tomorrow, the other day. But it's not too late for you to have your own journal notebook. Again, ulitin ko, it's wonderful to write your emotions, to process your emotions. Depende rin naman yun sa mga tao eh. Other people are doing yoga. They have their yung matagal sa CR, yung naliligo, nakabathtub, doon sila nag-process ng thoughts, meditation, gano'n. But me, personally, I like to write. Doon ako nakakalma. Minsan pagalit ako, susuot ko lang, bisit ka, hayop ka, doon. And then I make tabi the papers, tapos tinitin ako siya pag sabi, grabe pala yung galit ko. Yung gano'n, it helps you a lot. I don't know if you're that kind of person, but if you cannot discover it yet to yourself, you can try this thing. You can try the Limelight 366 days journal. And then also another thing is that it's a good way to go back to the past. Kasi tulad nito, last week nga nakita ko yung 2021 ko, di ba? Sabi ko, wow, ganito pala ako, grabe, this is so crazy. I mean, like, I didn't expect it to happen. Like, parang hindi ako yung nagsulat, parang ibang tao. And then, I know the difference. Makikita mo yung the way how you think before is different today. Na yung ganyan. Even by month, no, you're a different person from last month. You have a different emotion yesterday. Ganon. Wala. Lobat na ano. So that would be all for today. Maraming salamat for staying up to the last part ng walang kakwenta-kwentang vlog na to. Thank you. And my takeaway again is for you to write and start journaling because journaling leads to walang kakwenta-kwenta na naman. Tama na nga. Oh, hala. Sige na. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!